In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Microsoft Edge app on Android. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're comfortable and confident. First, unlock your Android phone. Once you're on your home screen, tap the Play Store app. The Google Play Store is where you'll find and download all your apps. Now in the Play Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and tap on it and type in Microsoft Edge. This search will help you find the app quickly. After your search results load, look for the official Microsoft Edge app. You'll recognize it by the name Microsoft Edge AI Browser and the developer listed as Microsoft Corporation. It's important to select the official app to ensure security and get the full features. Once you've found the correct app, tap Install. This is the main action that will download the app onto your device. The download might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so be patient. After the download is complete, you have two options to open Microsoft Edge. You can either tap Open directly from the Play Store, or you can find the app on your home screen. Either way, you'll be ready to start exploring the web. Next, when you open Microsoft Edge for the first time, you'll see an option to sign in. This is optional, but signing in with a Microsoft account lets you sync bookmarks, history, and passwords across devices. If you prefer, you can skip this step and use the browser without signing in. This flexibility ensures that you can choose what's best for your needs. Here's a little expert insight. Signing in is useful because it keeps your browsing experience seamless across different devices. It's like having your personalized settings follow you wherever you go. With Microsoft Edge open, you may notice a few unique features. It includes built-in AI known as Copilot, which can enhance your browsing with intelligent suggestions. Additionally, it offers tracking protection and ad blocking, making your browsing safer and less cluttered. These features are designed to improve your overall experience and keep your activities private. At this point, you might want to consider setting Microsoft Edge as your default browser. This can be done in your Android settings if you decide that this browser suits your needs best. Making it your default browser means that links will automatically open in Edge, streamlining your navigation. To wrap things up, you've successfully downloaded and opened Microsoft Edge on your Android device. You now have a powerful tool at your fingertips, ready to assist you with all your browsing needs. Remember, whether you choose to sign in or not, you have a secure and efficient browser that can adapt to your preferences. Enjoy exploring the internet with Microsoft Edge and make the most of its innovative features. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to explore more features within the app and don't hesitate to reach out for more tutorials. Have a great day.